Esperanca Street, oh my, Rua de Esperança. Home on Esperança, street of great hope, hoping, hoping and expecting. Ooh, Esperança, waiting around, hoping, 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 going in a Rua de Esperança. Going all around Rua de Esperança, walking all around Rua de Esperança, going down Rua de Esperança, 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 Esperança.
Okay, so we're in Taipa village. This is called Travessa de Esperança. So this one is a little alley. It's right next to Santiago. I've been meaning to see what that's about. And I guess there's a long line that goes all the way into this one right here, and there's the K-pop references. So we're gonna see a lot of that. And then Esperança has double meanings. One of them is kind of like waiting. So let's put this up on the map, and then we're gonna walk down this street right here. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is going to be the Esperança Street. Let me just give you a little bit of context of where we are exactly. So I'm going to kind of walk down this way briefly. There's a Pedesquera restaurant right there. Some beautiful trees in this space. Some more beautiful trees, and then Santiago, I believe it's kind of sprung up recently. It's like kind of a cigar shops. So I think we're going to come back to that in a second. This is going to be our line. There's a lot of people down that way, bakeries, and then down this way there's another kind of K-pop reference. Another long line that's like right around this side. Kind of want to go down there, but we'll just focus on Esperança. I just kind of want to give you more context. There's a little square in here. I think we're gonna probably go around like this, and then we'll try to capture what this line is all for in here. So I think it's gonna be all K-pop references. Let me see. Vienna tour. So I guess it's that one. So our street's going to continue down this way, all the way down that way, and then we're going to see what this is. We're going to walk around the block and then come back, and then we can try to see. There's another poster there as well. Okay. And that's the street right there. Travessa de Esperança. Okay, so I'm gonna go kind of around, then we're gonna come down that way. And this whole space is part of Taipa village, and this is kind of like a popular tourist area. So there's a lot of people who come here for this matcha ice cream, for all kinds of different snacks. The main street over there is called Kunigai, so that's that would be a crazy crowded street. This is this matcha right here. And then we are going to try to come through that crowd and see. So I guess this is the one that everybody's at right here. Matcha Taipa Matcha Cafe Maiko. So I guess we're going to try to go across here if we can. Oops. Okay, so I guess that's for that musician right here. And we'll just continue on. So we'll continue down our Esperança street. Try to give you some more context of what this whole street looks like. And I'm going to try to capture all the different alleys as well. So I'm just going to just briefly take a look down some of these. So these alleys kind of keep leading on, and there's Galaxy Casino straight ahead. So that golden one is where the casinos are at. So people can be in those casinos, and they can come down and take a look at this little Taipa village. So that's where we came from right there. And then we are going to try to continue past more. Let me say hi. I'm saying hello. I'm filming, so I'll say hello to your shop, and I'm filming your street. This is my messy kitchen. Crazy day?
Yeah, it was busy, but now, you know, after lunch it's more quiet.
There's a lot of K-pop fans today.
I know, there's a lot of girls fans around.
Yeah, you need a big K-pop musician right here, and they'll all come in.
There's too many of them already. Have a good day, though.
Thank you, you too. So this one's called My Messy Kitchen right there. So that one has some really good food. They have some nice, interesting, there's a good, that's one of the two owners, her and her husband. And they have some really creative ones, like there's like a bun with minchi, like a minchi with a bun. Usually they have, what do you call that? Pork chops. Oops. So usually it's like a pork chop bun, but they'll put it with minchi, which is minchi is kind of a Portuguese, Macanese food. So okay, so this will be the end of the street. This is all part of this Taipa village as well. That's our alley right there, and then we are going to walk down a little bit this way. So that kind of gives you some context. So I got people everywhere today. So I'm gonna just walk back to the main street. I will just kind of give you context to that little street just so you can fully understand it. We have all these other alleys as well. Okay. So yeah, today is so yeah, I guess they have a musician today, I guess the same one, Stella. So I guess there's a couple of them. So there's a Stella musician and Unso. So I guess that's why all the people are here today for the K-pop events today. Anyhow, you fight to it. And there'll be more people all the way up that way too. So there's tons of people everywhere today. And then these are all the crowds as well. And I guess that's one of the musicians right there, Baehyun, Unsuk, or the other ones. Let's see if we can... Okay. So we've got tons of people. Just kind of giving more context to this Taipa village, and then we're going to try to go back into our target street of Esperança. More long lines everywhere. So yeah, pretty crazy crowded day today. Yeah, the K-pops are pretty big events. It's kind of a cow milk dairy. And it will come around like this. And then that Esperança was right over there. So we're gonna get into the shade a little bit. And then we're gonna end up back over there in a minute. Yeah, it's crowded today. So that gives you a little context of Taipa village, some of the events that's going on, because you can see all the K-pop stuff today. Macau egg. And then, yep, this is back to the start again. And then that's the name of the street right there, Travessa de Esperança. We'll just end it on that note right there.